So we just pulled up on the house today. We're going to do another full service roof installation for our critter guard. As you can see, they got a whole lot of bird debris and a lot of mess going on right here. This is just right in front of their front door. So we're going to make sure we take care of all of that, clean up all the debris, remove all the nesting from underneath there, install our critter guard, and wash them down after we're all finished up with everything. All right, we're here, all finished up with another critter guard installation today. As you can see, all the mess and bird debris that was down here, we got that all picked up and swept away, sanitized it all. We wrapped up our solar panels and cleaned them off with our solar bright panel cleaner as well too. So another great install in the books today.